this morning is precious TLC. In this parched land, our son both gives.
I'm scared of snakes. No, seriously. It's my mom's birthday, and so we're at this plant sale.
Mint plant.
Oh, that smells really good.
It does, right? Oh my god.
And then I saw like a really pretty. She's got so much dirt.
You got so much. A lot.
I
of
saw
dirt.
a really pretty like Japanese maple tree that I want to get. It's a baby,
It's beautiful.
and I don't think I can put it in my car.
We can put it in your car.
I have a giant sex doll in my car. So that's what we're doing. I was just plant sale with mom for her birthday, and then we'll probably.
We're having a Mama Emma day.
Yeah. What's on me?
I don't know. It's
Alright,
not.
I got
stop.
it.
It's a
We gotta
garden.
go back to the
It's
civilized.
It's dirt. There's dirt.
This is her birthday weekend, so I drove like 3 hours to come meet her somewhere in South Carolina. I have no idea where we are. And they have these like those things.
That's kind of cool. That's legit. They bring dessert before we had lunch.
I don't know.
Recording on this because this is unbelievable.
I'm in the goddess
Emma,
show.
seriously.
I don't think I'm ever gonna agree to meet my mom anywhere ever again.
Oh my god.
We're in like a UV lit basement. I don't even know where we are. I'm just in like the middle of South Carolina.
There you are.
For our 6 months, Sam did a lot, but he got me this beautiful white gold ring that I love. It's so pretty. Thank you, sweetie. I got him a ring too. And we're gonna go to an art festival. The Fits. So cute. You gave me the craziest wedgie. Oh my god.
Broken ass phone.
Yeah, you need a new phone. I've been like really digging the art scene here in Atlanta. It's a good one, and so was the one that I went to yesterday, but that was in South Carolina. And then they invited me to do like a show, but it's in a week, and I feel like I don't have really like a lot of work ready to do that, but maybe I should submit. I don't know. Tell me in the comments, would you come see a show? Would you come see one of my shows?
Come early.
Willie's with him, and then we're gonna figure out where the car is and we're gonna leave. But this was adorable.
I didn't even read that, and I was so in tune. Similar to the image was also interpreted as a praise hand.
I'm in class
Praise
right
hand,
now,
which
but
also worked in
look at all of
context
this
of the work
styrofoam that I'm gonna
We'll start
bring
with
to my
beautiful
studio and make some work. Check out my website.
contradicts
Look at my art,
and
please.
rain.
Okay, I went to the gym. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm trying to make this BBL last because it was expensive. I love this song. I don't remember what I have to do, but I know I have to do something. Also, a really sad thing, but really funny thing is that me and my boyfriend actually literally just broke up. Literally just broke up. Which is funny because it's in this video, but what are you gonna do, you know? Peace and love, am I right? So, my new body wash. It's like really cute. Like, I don't want to be seen ever. I don't want to be approached. I don't want to be talked to when I look like this. I look like I don't have a home I look like I've never heard the word no. Like, I just look crazy. I look fucking crazy. So I just need to not look crazy. I need to not feel crazy, and I need to not look crazy. So I'm gonna shower and then get dressed and shit, you know. Very Y2K outfit today. Miss Me jeans with the cutest detailing. I love these. I posted these. Hi. So cute. And then just like a pink plain tank top. We love her. Perfect. Okay, makeup is done. To just like a really cute little spring pink moment. I got PR, so I want to open it. I'm actually so excited right now. These are my Irresistible Me clip-in hair extensions. I've been waiting for them to come in because I just redid my hair. Look how cute this packaging is. This is like the best extensions ever. This is actually perfect because my hair isn't even done. This is 100% human hair clip-in extensions, like super thick, full hair vibe. They also do the color match guarantee. I talked to one of the girls for Irresistible, so she helps me pick the perfect color, but their website does that for you. Also, like, the testers do that for you. The bottom is the try me, and then if you like it, you can open the top. But that's how they like give it back, because it's like open me only if you want to keep me on the side, and then this is like the try me side. And then I guess the other side would be all of the other extensions, which is so cute. Oh my god. Also, everything comes pre-curled, which is so cute. Extensions look best when you curl them, by the way. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the extension hair and my hair, and I'm gonna curl the strands together to create some highlight and some depth, but also to blend this. But I'm so excited because I always get like a nice long thick length, so I love this new packaging. It's so cute. Okay, perfect. And it gives you extra clips and like a whole thing. I mean, this is a lot. You definitely could use like half the pack. This is the weft, so they have like multiple, and this is like heavy, like no joke. You just get multiples of everything. So I'm gonna brush this stuff, maybe wash it and dry it, and then I will show you guys the finished hairdo. This side is done. I just have to do this side now. I'm done with the extensions. I feel like they look really, really cute. I have to like let the hairspray sit for a second, and then I'm gonna brush them out, and then we have to go to the grocery store and we have to go and get our nails done. Again, I really just have to like brush these out, but I don't know, I love them. I love Irresistible Me because their quality is insane. Okay, yeah, I'm starstruck. I love these extensions so much. I'm gonna go and like finish what I have to do today, and I feel like that's probably all for today's video. But check out Irresistible Me in the description box below. I obviously have a discount code for you guys. Let me know what you guys think and what color you think I should try next. This is so shiny. Follow me on Instagram and all of my other socials, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. I have to go get my nails done. Bye.